The login screen is really simple. If it's your first time signing up with ClasStars, use your Google or Facebook account to authenticate. Once that is done, tap here to complete your registration. If this is your first time logging in, you will be asked to read and accept our end user agreement. Search for your school from our database. Or manually enter your school information. Then tell us a little about yourself and where you're from. Now you're ready to log in. This brings you to the login screen. Tap the login button to log in. Now you're on the classes and dashboard screen. Of course, the first time you log in, you won't have any classes or students set up. And to see how you do that, tap here to watch the Setup Classes and Students video. Once you set up your classes and students, your screen will look like this.